Secretary for Internal Affairs Officer must be approachable at all times since ang mga concerns na kanyang tatanggapin ay about the house or the college itself. And then, kailangan din patient siya kapag sa mga activities or tasks dahil alam naman natin sa farm na hindi madaling pagsabayin ang studies at yung kumbaga, iba pang or extracurricular activities. So, kailangan patient siya sa mga reasons ng members niya kung sakasakaling conflict sa mga tasks na binibigay niya. Kailangan din caring siya sa mga members niya para makabuild ng isang grupo na with understanding at may pakialam sa goal nila. Parang may isa silang goal to meet their task or their project. And then, kailangan din ang internals ay organized at responsible. So, bilang yun yung main job niya ayon sa constitution ng UFA, kailangan organize siya sa pag-file ng lahat ng documents ng UFA. And then, ang isang skill na kailangan meron ang isang Secretary for Internal Affairs na I believe na kailangan ko pang ma-improve is proper time management. Kailangan ang isang internals ay kayang i-layout or organize ang mga tasks ng may definite na deadline. So ako, kailangan ko siyang i-improve dahil minsan may mga tasks na may deadline na ganito. So, minsan, kung hindi pa siya tapos, medyo nako-compromise yung ibang tasks just to finish it. So, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na ayokong masira yung trust sa akin. So, kailangan ko matapos yung ibang task first. So, bago ko gawin yung iba pa. So, yun lang. And then, kailangan maging mag-work na maayos under pressure. So, minsan, medyo nagiging moody na, pero yun nga, dahil nga gusto kong matapos na maayos yung mga tasks. So, yun.
So, as your Secretary for Internal Affairs, what we need is to be organized and transparent. So, I will do this by proper documentation of post-event evaluations and minutes of council meetings. Next is that I should be sensitive enough to know the needs of the student body, which is who I'm serving, which is you. So, I am giving you the professionista. Unleash the professional in you. So, this workshop will focus on four main topics: power dressing, basic grooming, business etiquette, and managing finances and investments. So, in this, I will show you how resourceful I am because this project is really worth 1,500 to 3,000 per person, and this is very essential since business companies really invest on this for their employees. So here in UP, we are going to be a complete package, no? So, and as your leader, it's not about setting the goals for you to follow. It's about giving you the direction for you to set for yourselves where you want to go. So, as your Secretary for Internal Affairs and as your leader, I know that my skill in knowing when to step up when you need my help and knowing when to step back when I know you can do the job is really tested by time. So, what I will really improve on is the resourcefulness. So, I will show you that I can make my projects possible, and all my projects I'm giving you is very possible and feasible. Like the vending machine, I already have a contact which can lend us vending machine, and we only need approximately less than 6,000 for the whole school year to provide the sanitary essentials, and we will also benefit from this because the income generated will only revolve in that vending machine.
Kung magiging isa ako sa UPCP resident cats, siguro magtutour lang ako ng mabilis sa buong CP. Tapos, titingnan ko yung mga glasswares na wala sa mga lockers. Kumbaga, parang tingnan ko kung sino ang kung sino ang kulang sa ganito, or yung, kumbaga yung list of glasswares. Tapos, mag-iwan ako ng note, nawawala yung ganito nyo, ganyan, dito. Tapos, siguro, ayusin ang student lounge. Hindi, sukat ako, pero siguro ganon. Tapos, gusto ko lang i-visit lahat, buong CP. Tapos, tingnan ko kung anong kulang, kung anong magulo, kung anong maayos, ganyan. So, magiging, tourist ng CP. Tapos, mag-iiwan na lang ako ng note kung ano pang kailangan ayusin sa mga rooms na ganito, sa lab na ganito. So, yun.
Okay. If I would be one of UPCP's resident cats for a whole 24 hours, I would definitely look after my kittens because I will ensure that they have food to eat and that they will grow as a responsible cats, just like me.
To think.
Okay na.